Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got MD in the building, bringing the noise as he always does. Now, the name of the watch face that we're going to review is called MD 124 Digital Multicolor Premium Watch Face. And premium is just what it is, people. So let's go ahead. Let's have a look at it. In the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as if the watch face was on. It's just going to be in a dark mode. But when it's on, this watch face pretty much has everything you can ever want to need out of a watch face. Now, with that being said, let's have a look at it. You got your battery info over here. You got your step status info right there. Floors climb, heart rate. Right here, you get a nice bold digital time, animated seconds, moon phase. A lot of you all like the moon phase. And you get how many weeks we are in, how many days we are into the year, and you also get the day. So I like the layout. I like to look at this watch face, and it offers shortcuts. So if you want your music, you can get your music, your weather. You can also get your messages, and you can make a phone call as well. So I thought that he gave us plenty of offerings to make this watch face super convenient. Now down at the bottom, you get your nice date. Also, I like the look of the months. It adds a lot of character to the watch face to me. And also, this is what I like. Double tap. I can set shortcuts, people. I can set them in two places. I can set right here. And you can customize your shortcuts. That's what I call them, shortcuts. All right. And with that, you can customize the time. Double tap, and you can change it to whatever you want it to be. And I thought that was nice, right? Not only the hour and the minutes, also the seconds. And I said, listen, this guy definitely got down on this watch face. MD, continue, man. Continue to do your thing. All right, you all, it is the weekend. Enjoy family and friends, go out, have fun, and do the things that make you happy. But most of all, be safe. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I will see you all at the next one. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.